Hello stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. Today is the beginning of a 4-part series in which we transformed my kitchen. We've lived in this house for 26 years and it was a 40-year-old home when we purchased it. We've kept all the original cabinets and the counters all these years and it was high time for a change. First, we removed all the cabinet doors and hardware in the kitchen in preparation to tape and plastic off all the cabinets for painting. Once all the doors were removed, we proceeded outside. We used the frame of our metal 10x10 gazebo with the tarp cover removed, a roll of painter's plastic, and a roll of painter's tape to create an enclosed paint room. We used river rocks to weigh down all the plastic to the ground. This created the perfect place for us to use a paint sprayer to paint all the cabinet doors without any spray over. Removing the gazebo cover gave us plenty of ventilation and reduced the paint fumes in the enclosed area. We used sawhorses to prop up all the cabinet doors as Dave painted them with the sprayer. Next came the tedious process of taping off the entire kitchen indoors. We used brown packing paper, painter's plastic, and painter's tape and covered everything that was not to be painted. This took us hours to complete. We also used the painter's plastic to cover all the floors and create a sealed-in paint room so Dave could come in with the paint sprayer and give the cabinets a good, even, professional-looking finish. Our entire yard became a paint shop. We had cabinet doors and drawers laid out everywhere to dry in between coats. Once the inside was painted, we removed all the paper, the plastic, and the tape. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. We purchased an additional lower and upper cabinet to install in the kitchen to create more storage and counter space in our very small kitchen. Brandon and Dave found the studs and then leveled and installed the upper cabinet. Then we slid the lower cabinet into place and placed a piece of plywood on the top in preparation to tile. To give the cabinets an updated look, we purchased some new hardware. We created a template to use to install the hardware on all the doors and drawers. There were 29 in total. This expedited the installation, eliminating the need to measure every single door and drawer. We were going for a more modern farm-style look. The kitchen had an old-fashioned sheetrock enclosed space above the cabinets that I didn't like. So we purchased some 1x10 plywood that we carefully selected for the markings in the wood, and then we stained them and installed them above the cabinets over the awkward sheetrock enclosures. We did this by locating the studs and nailing them in with 2-inch nails. Next came the fun and stressful part, ripping out all of the old counters. We did this all in a 4-hour window with a stunning team and friends. Demo's always fun, but I'm a bit of a clean freak, so it can be stressful for me. Part of the process included removing an older microwave so we could rip out all the tile behind it. I have to say, this part of the process actually went a whole lot smoother than I was anticipating, thanks to all of our amazing family and friends who actually pitched in. Here are the counters with all the tile gone, uncovering the 66-year-old plank wood counter base. So be sure to come back next week so you can see part 2 of our kitchen remodel. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.